This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. This is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath completed new construction home on a 0.57-acre lot. Features oversized single-car garage, vertical siding, open floor plan, large laundry room with drop zone, walk-in pantry and laundry sink. Rocking chair front porch and rear deck overlooking spacious backyard. Kitchen with island, stainless appliances and quartz countertops. Large concrete driveway with backup strip and additional parking. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.